So in this short video, I will show you how to enable and disable VPN on your iPhone in latest iOS version. To use VPN, first of all, make sure you have installed a VPN app on your iPhone. So as you can see, I've installed Super VPN app. Okay, once you have a VPN app on your iPhone, it's time to turn on VPN. The first option is you can directly open the VPN app, and from the VPN app you will be able to turn on the VPN by tapping on this button. Or you can go to your iPhone settings app, and here you will find this VPN option. From here you can easily enable or disable VPN. Also, you can open your control center, and here tap on this first control box, and in this list you will find VPN. Also, here you can easily turn on or turn off your VPN. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.